Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to send an automated email to new Facebook leads. So here I am an owner of a business, and to promote my business I am running some Facebook lead ad. So in this case I want whenever a new lead is received, automatically an automated email should be sent to that lead. So to automate this entire process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be Facebook lead ads, our action application will be Gmail. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here you can see the Facebook page of my company named as Sparkle Evenings. And to promote my company, I am running some Facebook lead ad. So in this case, I want whenever a new lead is received in my Facebook lead ad, automatically an email should be sent to that lead. So here to build this connection, we need to connect a Facebook lead ad to our Gmail account. And here to automate this entire process, we are going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create workflow button, which is given on the top right corner. And here in this create workflow dialog box, we have to give a name to our workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send automated email to new Facebook leads. And now I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name send automated email to new Facebook leads. And here you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here for the trigger application, we are going to select Facebook lead ads and my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever a new lead is generated in our Facebook lead ads, instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. And now to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. And here you can see authorization successful. So here it easily got connected because I was already logged in my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you are already logged in your Facebook account. So moving back to Pabbly window, and here after building a successful connection, moving forward, and now here it is asking me to select my page. So as I've already shown you that I have created my page with the name Sparkle Evenings. So here I'm going to select my page. And now after selecting the page, here it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So for that, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. Now here in this Meta Business Suite, you can see all the lead ads form which I've created for my use. You can create your own lead ad form as per your need. And now here in this case, I'm going to use my lead ad form which is named as inquiry form. So moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to select my lead gen form as inquiry form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all leads in forms. And now after selecting the page and the leads in form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see after clicking on save and send test request, it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead. And for that, let me take you to Meta for Developers. This is the homepage of Meta for Developers. From here, I'm going to click on this more, and from here, I'm going to select Tools. Now under Developer Tools, I'm going to select Lead Ads R2 Debug Tool. And here under lead ads testing tool, it is asking me to select my page and my form. So here for the page, I'm going to select my page which is named as Sparkle Evenings. And then I'm going to select my form, which is inquiry form. And now to generate a new test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form. And now here I'm going to enter dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the email, I'm going to enter the email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. First name as dummy, last name as user, company name as Pabbly, and a random phone number. So here I'm done entering all the details, and now I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly window. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the email, first name, last name, company name, phone number, and other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. And here I'm going to select my action application as Gmail. And my action event as sent email, so that whenever a new lead is received in my Facebook lead ads, automatically a mail should be sent to that lead. And now to connect my Gmail with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Gmail account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Gmail. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward. And now here it is asking for recipient email addresses. So here I need to enter the address to whom I want to send this mail. So here instead of entering the data manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my Facebook lead ads. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever a new lead is received in our Facebook lead ads, automatically this previously existing lead details will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the email address. Moving forward, here the CC and BCC fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. Moving forward, and here for the sender name, I'm going to enter my company name, that is Sparkle Evenings. Moving forward, here for the email subject, I'm going to enter the subject as successful form submission. Moving forward, now here this reply to field is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. Here for the email content type, I'm going to select plain. Moving forward, and now here it is asking for email content. So here I need to enter the email body which I want to send with my mail. So this is the email content which I want to send with my mail, which says, "Dear recipient's name, thank you for reaching us out through our inquiry form. We have successfully received your contact details. Our team will connect with you as soon as possible. Best regards, Jessie Matthew, Lead Manager, Sparkle Evenings." So here you can see I have not entered the name of the recipient. That is because here I'm going to map the name of the lead. So here I'm going to map the name, first name space last name. So here I'm done entering the email content. Moving forward. And now here it is asking for file name and attachment. So again, these fields are not a required field. So here I'm going to leave them blank. And also I'm not sending any attachment with the email. So here I'm going to ignore these fields. And now after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where the result status is sent. So now let's go and check our mail. And here you can see we have successfully received a new email with the email subject as successful form submission, sender's name as Sparkle Evenings, and the body as Dear Dummy User, thank you for reaching us out through our inquiry form. We have successfully received your contact details. Our team will connect with you as soon as possible. Best regards, Jessie Matthew, Lead Manager, Sparkle Evenings. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we need to generate another test lead in our Facebook lead ads. And for that, let me take you back to lead ads testing tool. So here in lead ads testing tool, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button. And after clicking on this delete lead, here I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. Now again here in lead ads testing tool, I'm going to select my page which is named as Sparkle Evenings and my form which is inquiry form. And now to generate a new test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form. And here I'm going to enter another dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the email, I'm going to enter the email as test@pabblytudes.com. First name as test, last name as user, company name as Pabbly, and a random phone number. And now after entering all the details here, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our mail. And here you can see we have successfully received a new mail with the email subject as successful form submission, sender's name as Sparkle Evenings, and the email body as Dear Test User, thank you for reaching us out through our inquiry form. We have successfully received your contact details. Our team will connect with you as soon as possible. Best regards, Jessie Matthew, Lead Manager, Sparkle Evenings. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Gmail, so that whenever a new lead is received in our Facebook lead ads, automatically a mail should be sent to that lead. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clue link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.